we have a Sephora package. Thank you Afterpay. Candle Lit Glow is just a roll away. Sorry, what? Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be doing a Sephora haul. We are going to be doing the spring savings Sephora haul. I'm going to show you what I purchased with the spring savings event going on. I am a Rouge member, so I do get 20% off. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, Sephora does 2 annual sales: the spring savings sale, which happens in April, and the holiday sale, which happens in November, I believe. There's different levels to the Sephora membership program. And basically, if you are a Rouge member, you'll get 20% off during these annual sales, which is incredible. That's a good chunk of money. So of course I spent too much money. Thank you Afterpay. There is so much new makeup coming out. It's insane. Okay, let's get into it. We have a Sephora package. Okay, I gotta get right into these because I'm telling you guys, this has been on my list for a very long time, and I always just find other things to buy instead of this, probably because of its high price tag, probably also because it's not new. So I'm like, oh, I really want that, but there's this, and this that's new that I could review. Like this isn't a product that I would necessarily, I mean, I could review it, but that it wouldn't be maybe as interesting because it's been out for a while. Anyways, I'm talking about the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. This is the liquid contour wand that is viral everywhere. It has been viral for a while. It's been a well-loved product for a while. But yeah, we finally got it. I bit the bullet. I'm like, okay, if I'm going to buy this, I'm going to get it when I can get it 20% off. The Charlotte Tilbury wand is $53. You get 12 milliliters. And I got it in the shade Fair Medium. I also got the new Tarte Shape Tape Sculpt Tape, which is basically a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. $45. So you save almost $10. It's not like a significant amount of money, but it's definitely money. And you get the exact same amount of product. So I'm going to be probably doing a side-by-side comparison battle of the contour wands. The Tarte is in the shade Soft Bronze. So these are the packaging side-by-side. We will get into everything comparison wise in the video. They're looking pretty dang similar. One thing I kind of wanted to point out is I'm pretty sure they're manufactured by the same, at least the packaging is manufactured by the same, because if you actually look at just the tips, you would think they're from the same company, but just a different shade, would you not? I'm really excited to do that video. So this the Tarte one kind of intrigued me and kind of pushed me to purchase this one, because I do think I could make a good video out of actually comparing them, because this one is, even though it's less than $10 cheaper, you're still saving like $8. I also got a bunch of stuff from Rare Beauty. If you know me, you will know I am a huge fan of Rare Beauty. I loved a lot of the products I've tested from them. Not every single one has been a smash hit in my personal opinion, but pretty dang close. It is a super, super beautiful brand. So the first product that I got from Rare Beauty is the Positive Light Under Eye Brightener. I'm very intrigued by this product, which isn't very like me. I'm usually not intrigued by the under eye brighteners, light coverage. I'm more like, give me the makeup, give me the full coverage. But this one intrigued me because I heard really good reviews. People use this as concealer for a more natural day. People also use this just underneath their concealer to brighten. And just after watching some reviews, I'm like, wow, that looks fantastic. So this is the product. I got it in the shade Light. It's beautiful packaging. I love Rare Beauty's packaging. Not everybody loves it. I love everything about it. So this is the actual applicator, which is very interesting. It's like one of those metal balls that's supposed to give you a more cooling effect. So I'm very intrigued by what it's going to do. Is it going to actually be able to be, you know, am I going to actually be able to use it as makeup? Like, I mean, you know, if I'm going for a more no makeup look, will it be good enough coverage for kind of concealer? It's supposed to hydrate the under eyes. It's a weightless brightening liquid formula that illuminates and refreshes the under eye with a natural luminous finish. And I'm excited to see what it kind of does underneath my concealer. The next product is the Positive Light Silky Touch highlighter. This has been sold out every time in my shade when I go to it, and I was waiting for early access, and I was waiting for that day because I'm like, I'm obviously gonna wait till I get 20% off, and I didn't do it right in the morning, and my shade was sold out already. So I'm kind of sad about that. I would have gone for the champagne shade, but I did get the shade Exhilarate, which is the more golden shade. I typically stray from more golden bronzy shades because they're usually dark on my fair skin, but this actually, when I looked at the swatches, looked like it was gonna be ooh, oh, that's gonna work, I bet you. It's like golden. It's perfect for the summer, I feel. And it looks like it's light reflective enough that it's not going to just have too much of the yellow golden base. Like it's shiny enough that it's going to stand out and still highlight well without looking too yellow or dark. So I'm more excited now that I've swatched it. Oh, that looks beautiful. Okay, I have one more Rare Beauty shade product, and I don't know where it went. So I'm going to, it got shipped to me separately. Like it got shipped to me within like 1 or 2 days of ordering this whole order, and then the rest of it was shipped like within a week. So that product must have just been like ready to roll. So that's why I don't have it in this package. I placed it somewhere else. I'm gonna put up some footage here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But I did get the new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil, which is another product. Sorry, this is my breakfast and it's like 12:30. I'm hungry. It's a smoothie. So this is another product that has been sold out at all times. I'm so thankful that I got to order it during the sale. It's an innovative gel to oil formula that starts glossy and leaves the lips tinted while staying comfortable and never sticky all day. This is supposed to be an incredible product. I got it in the shade Hope, which is like a nude mauve. I wanted kind of to get a darker one because I do find darker stains last longer, but I also just know myself and I know I'm going to want to wear a lighter shade more often. So it looks really, really cool. I will be testing all these products, by the way, on my channel, so stay tuned for some really exciting videos. The next product is the One Size Lip Snatcher Precision Lip Filler Pencil. So One Size is another brand I've been obsessed with for a very long time. Almost every product I've tested from them I fell in love with and have been really, you know, holy grails of my collection. And this one I'm hoping will be another. This packaging, I just love One Size. One Size and Rare Beauty are probably some of my favorite brands. They're so great. I love their packaging. I love their formulas. Their prices are reasonable. So this is supposed to be a waterproof, ultra pigmented, creamy texture, precisely defines, sculpts, and fills in lips. So I got the shade Shy But Fly. Don't mind my stained hands. I was swatching a bunch of my lip products as I'm preparing for a declutter video for lips. It is much needed. So stay tuned for that as well. It's going to be really exciting. But I've been like sorting them in colors so it makes it easier for recording, but I have like stained my hands and my arms. This is the shade right here, the Shy But Fly. Looks really pretty, and I'm hoping it's going to be a long wearing lip liner because that is like a perfect shade for what I would normally go for lips, and it was like pretty reasonably priced. Next I got the NARS Soft Matte Advanced Perfecting Powder. So the reason I picked this one up, which I'm typically a loose powder girl, but the reason I picked this one up is, number one, 20% off. Number two though, is because this is supposed to, ooh, that is sleek. It's very like sleek packaging that's like not bulky at all. I like that. So this is supposed to be very similar to the Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm interested to see if it's actually going to be kind of a dupe. I'm almost out of my Charlotte Tilbury, and so I was like, we'll try this new one because it's supposed to be a dupe, and then if it is a dupe, I will just wait to repurchase my Charlotte Tilbury, or maybe I won't because if this is better, you know? So this is supposed to be multi-purpose skin perfecting powder that blurs imperfections, smooths the look of skin, and sets makeup for up to 24 hours. It has medium coverage, so it's supposed to give you some coverage, and it's supposed to just leave the skin, you know, smooth. It has niacinamide. It's a talc-free formula that minimizes the appearance of pores. You can wear alone or over top of foundation to set the makeup, and it's supposed to not make your skin look or feel dry or cakey. I got the shade Cliff. which is obviously fair, one of the lightest shades. But I do also like when these powders brighten for under the eyes. No, I'm going to save it. Maybe I'll do a side-by-side comparison of this and the Charlotte Tilbury. Should we do some like battle of the makeup videos? I'm up for it. Talking about powder, I did also get the new Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. I saw this and I was like, sorry, what? Shape Tape is known for its concealer, its under eye, full coverage, smoothness, perfection. So if I could find a Shape Tape setting powder that could just go hand in hand with that perfection of concealer, I'm down for it. I did get the mini because I'm like, we'll give this a shot. And I did already open it because I'm a psychopath and I can't wait. But it looks like it's gonna have good pigmentation, and it looks like, I think I just laid that right over top of the other powder, but it looks like it's gonna be a good baking powder. I can just tell by the look of it. I'm hoping that it will be. This doesn't say new, so maybe it's not new. I don't know. I thought it was new. It was in the new. So this is a setting powder that blurs and sets makeup for long-lasting shine-free wear. It softens look of pores and fine lines for an ultra smooth, soft focused finish. It's non-drying, feels comfy, never clingy, and finely milled for a weightless look and feel. So excited about that one. Just a couple more products. I also got the Sephora Velour Face Puff. This is bigger than I thought it was going to be. I recently got the Beauty Blender Puff, and I'm interested in also comparing these. You know, do you need to go and get this one, or is the Sephora Puff good? I'm interested in seeing, because this was $7. I think this was like $18. So if we could get similar effect, the only thing is this one is really nice and small for under the eyes, but we'll do what we can with the Sephora and see if it's, you know, can you save some money in that regard. We also got the iconic Roll Away Glow liquid highlighter. This is new. Iconic London is kind of known for their liquid highlight, but this is like the Roll Away highlighter, and this is made in Italy. You know how I feel about that. You know how I feel about that. I just feel like anything made in Italy is high quality. Not anything, but a lot of things. I think Rare Beauties is made, Rare Beauties made in Italy. Charlotte Tilbury, made in Italy. Ooh, made in Italy. Tarte was made in Italy. What I'm trying to say is I feel like a lot of makeup that is made in Italy is high quality, is all I'm trying to say. Heavenly Glow Giver lends light to your complexion, creating a glossy wash of soft focus luminosity. Featuring a petite roller ball, your candlelit glow is just a roll away. So, ooh, distributes quite a bit of product, but does that not look just heavenly? Oh, I'm excited about that one. It just looks very interesting, like a roll-on highlighter. Who would have thought? And just the swatches, like the swatches, come on, like come on. Okay, next product is the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. So I really like the Strawberry Smooth BHA AHA Salicylic Serum, which I did actually purchase in this order as well. I restocked as I was out. So I was like, why not? I use this every day. I love, 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 love this serum. It's just good for acne prone skin, oily skin, blackhead prone skin, and it's nice and smoothing to my enlarged pores. And this is supposed to be a pore refining and blurring serum as well, but it's a treatment and a primer. So it's like kind of an additional smoothing serum, like a next level, like an added step to your skincare routine, but also is a primer. So it blurs pores instantly, controls excess oil, and visibly reduces pore size with this all-in-one treatment and primer packed with mattifying blend of tapioca and rice, encapsulated BHA and strawberry enzymes to smooth skin's texture. Strawberry leaf extract and plant-derived pore minimizers absorb excess oil while keeping skin hydrated for a soft, focused satin look where you can wear alone or underneath makeup as a primer. So it's basically, you can use it as an additional step in your skincare routine to smooth your pores. It has actual skincare ingredients, which I like, so it's gonna not just give you that look, but it's going to genuinely affect the size of your pores, you know, with real skincare ingredients, not just makeup that's going to wash away. But it's also going to control excess oil and give you that smoothing effect for underneath makeup to give you a more flawless makeup look. Sorry, I don't know why I'm just really focused on my monitor today. I apologize if I'm irritating you guys. I've had some comments on my past videos like, I feel like you're looking past me. It's because I'm looking at my monitor. I'm sorry. I just like look to make sure I like everything's okay, and then I just feel like I'm talking to myself. So I apologize, guys. I'm here with you. I'm here with you. So anyways, this is the primer slash serum, and this is the packaging, which I think is so cute. It has a fluid ounce, which I believe is, yeah, it's the same as this one. So that's actually not bad. So yes, I got this as well. These products in today's video, I did stock up on some other skincare that I ran out of recently, which is from the Inkey List. Both of them are from the Inkey List. This one's the Salicylic Acid Cleanser, and this one's the Omega Water Cream. I stand by both of these products. They're my absolute favorite. Like, these three are my holy grails in my skincare. Love this cleanser for oily, acne-prone skin. I love this moisturizer for oily combo acne-prone skin. It does not irritate. It does not make me break out. It does not make me oily. It does not also make my skin dry. It hydrates really nicely without leaving my skin feeling heavy and oily and greasy. It's like the perfect moisturizer, really great cleanser that doesn't strip the skin, but still, you know, helps with blackheads, helps with blemishes, balances everything out, helps with oil control. And then this is just the cherry on top. This is incredible for keeping your pores clear, your skin smooth. Love it. So, and again, none of these irritate my skin, so I love that. That is everything I got. I know it's a ton. It's a ton. I really took advantage, and I'm really thankful for Afterpay, because I would not have gotten this much if it wasn't for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are excited to see my future videos, me reviewing these products. So stay tuned. Thanks again for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.